Putting loofah and hawthorn together, the effect will be really surprising. The traditional Chinese herbal recipe can help you lose fat healthily and quickly. Loofah is often used to wash dishes or take a bath because of its good decontamination and skincare effects, but few people know that loofah has high nutritional value. Loofah is rich in xylin, mannan, vitamin A, vitamin C and other nutritional elements, and has high medicinal value. Now we cut the loofah into small pieces, which is conducive to the release of nutrients. Put it into a large bowl, add salt to sterilize, pour in clean water, grab and wash for a while, then soak for 5 minutes. Then grab and wash several times and replace with clean water alternately, so that dust and impurities can be effectively cleaned. Next, prepare 10 grams of hawthorn and put it in a large bowl and add water. Hawthorn contains flavonoids, fatty acids, chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, various vitamins and trace elements. Rinse well and dry out the water, then put it together with the loofah for later use. Cut a shallot into small pieces, then pour all the ingredients into the pot and add water. Cover the pot and cook on high heat until it boils, then reduce the heat to simmer for 15 minutes. At this time, when we open the lid of the pot, we will find that the color of the water has become darker, which means that the nutrients have entered the water. Put it out and let it warm before serving. I drink it after meals every time, which is good for food digestion. After 10 days of persistence, we will find obvious changes in our shape. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.